Hello everyone, welcome to Matrix Olympiad YouTube channel. Today we are here for the discussion of Matrix Olympiad paper which was held on 29th of September 2024. So we will start from class 7th and the subject is physics. Let us start our discussion. Question number 1. In question number 1 it is asked that how many joules are in there in 1 kilocalorie. So we know that in 1 calorie there are 4.2 joules. So 1 kilocalorie means 10 to the power 3 calorie, which is equals to 4.2 multiplied by 10 to the power 3 joules, which is equals to 4200 joule. So our correct answer will be option C. Next question, in question number 2, we have to choose the correct statement. Okay, let's see. The magnitudes of speed and velocity are same when a body travels in a straight line path in a definite direction. Yes, because when a body moves along in a straight line path in a definite direction, then distance and displacement become equal. And we know that speed is equals to distance upon time and velocity is equals to displacement upon time. Then in that case, magnitude will be same. So this is a correct option. Let's see the other options also. Average speed of a moving object can be equal to 0. No, this is not correct. Average speed can never be 0. But its average velocity cannot be equal to 0. So this is a false statement. To describe the velocity, direction is not required. No, direction is required because velocity is a vector quantity, and for vector quantity, magnitude and directions both are required. Okay, in non-uniform motion, velocity of a moving object is constant. No, non-uniform motion means in which speed, or we can say magnitude of velocity or direction of velocity changes, that is called non-uniform. So this is also false. So our correct answer will be option A. Next question, question number 3. In question number 3, it is said an iron ball at 40 degrees Celsius is dropped in a mug containing oil at 40 degrees Celsius. Then, so we know that heat is a form of energy which flow from higher temperature to lower temperature. Okay, so in that case, the temperature of ball and temperature of oil are equal, so there will be no transfer of heat. So option C will be correct, that is, heat does not flow between iron ball and oil. Next question, question number 4. In question number 4, there is an assertion and reason we have to check which is correct or which is incorrect. Okay, let's read assertion. In distance time graph, we generally take time on x-axis. Yes, generally whenever you are making a distance time graph, then we are taking y-axis as distance while x-axis as time. So it is said, I am reading it again, in distance time graph we generally take time on x-axis, that is true. Reason, in distance time graph we generally take time on y-axis, this is a false statement. That means assertion is true and reason is false. So option C will be correct answer. Next question, in question number 5 we have to match the column 1 with column 2. Let's see. Thermometric liquid, we know that in thermometer mercury is used, so for P I will write 3. Evaporation, as we know that evaporation means liquid to gas below its boiling point, so for Q I will write 4. Freezing mixture, so common salt and ice is a freezing mixture, for R I will write it 2. Thermos flask, so we know that thermos flask is a double walled flask, so for S I will write 1. So correct sequence is 3, 4, 2, 1. 3, 4, 2, 1. That means option C is our correct answer. Next question. So next question is based on a paragraph. So in this question there is a paragraph in which a distance and time graph is given for an object, and it is asked what is the average speed of the object. So we know that average speed of any object, V average, is equals to, that is, total distance traveled divided by total time taken. So from graph, as we can see, the total distance traveled in meter is 20 meter. So V average is equals to total distance is 20 meter divided by the total time taken is 4, but we have to remember the time is given in minutes, so we have to convert it into seconds. So when we convert it, it becomes 4 multiplied by 60. Okay, now solving this, it becomes 1 upon 12, okay, which is equals to the 0.083 meter per second. So our correct answer will be option A. Next question is based on same paragraph and same graph, okay, and it is asked calculate the speed between point C and D. So as we can see, between point C and D, the distance traveled does not changes. That means the object is at rest. So we can say between point C and D, the speed will be 0 meter per minute. So correct answer is option C. So we have discussed all the questions of subject physics. For more update and any other query, you can subscribe this YouTube channel, and you can also join our WhatsApp channel. The link of WhatsApp channel is given in the description of this video. If you have any type of doubt in any question, then you can apply on ask a doubt button, which is provided in your profile of MOF. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel, and now we will discuss the MOF paper solution of class 7, which was conducted on 29 September 2024. Now let's see the question. The questions are, the first question is, observe the given figure carefully. Okay, let's see the figure. In this figure, there is a zinc granules which added in the dilute sulfuric acid. We know that the formula of the sulfuric acid is H2SO4. Okay, then there is one gas, and this is a matchstick. We know that the zinc is more reactive metal than hydrogen, so it can easily replace the hydrogen from the H2SO4 solution, and it forms ZnSO4 plus hydrogen gas, and this hydrogen gas is released with a pop sound. Okay, now let's see the question. The question is, read the given passages and fill in the blanks by selecting an appropriate option. Okay, in the given, first reaction takes place, which is a chemical change. Okay, so we can see easily that this is a type of displacement reaction. So in the first option, this is oxidation reaction. No, it is not an oxidation reaction, it is a displacement reaction. And in the option D, it is a reduction reaction. No, it is not a reduction reaction, it is a displacement reaction. So the option A and D are the wrong option. Now let's see the option B. Option B is displacement reaction, and option C is also a displacement reaction. So it might be the option B or C is the right option. Okay, now let's see the remaining question. The question is, second being more reactive than third, and we know that the zinc is more reactive than hydrogen. So here is also zinc and hydrogen, here is also zinc and hydrogen. So now it is a confusion between option B and option C. Now let's see the next remaining question. Produces gas X, and the gas X is hydrogen gas, which is fourth. Okay, now let's see the option C. In the option C, fourth is SO2, sulfur dioxide. So it is a wrong option. And now the option in option B, fourth is hydrogen gas. Yes, it is a right point, because when zinc is react with H2SO4, it is a displacement reaction, and because the high reactivity of zinc, it easily replaces the hydrogen, which is less reactive than zinc, and it can release this H2 gas, hydrogen gas, and form a salt, that is ZnSO4. Now last is, and it burns with fifth, and it burns with a pop sound. Okay, so the option B is the right option for this question. Means zinc, there is a displacement reaction, which is a chemical change. Zinc is zinc being more reactive than hydrogen and produces gas hydrogen, which is H, and it burns with a pop sound. Okay, so the option B is the right option for this question. Now let's see the next question. The next question is, if a few drops of concentrated acid accidentally spill over the hand of a student, what should be done? Okay, we know that the strong acid is so much corrosive, and let's see the options. The options are: wash the hand with saline water. No, saline water means salty water, and NaCl is a salt which is neutral in nature, so it is not applicable, or we can say it is not useful in this condition. Now let's see the C option. After washing with plenty of water, apply solution of sodium hydroxide on the hand. Sodium hydroxide is a base, and sodium hydroxide is a strong base. So strong base is as much as corrosive, means strong bases or sodium hydroxide is also dangerous like strong acids. So option C is also a wrong option. Now let's see the D. Neutralize the acid with a strong alkali. No, strong alkali is also the dangerous substance, or we can say it is more corrosive than strong acid. So it is also a wrong option. Now let's see the B option. Wash the hand immediately with plenty of water. If we wash the hand with the plenty of water, firstly it decreases the concentration of acid, and apply a paste of sodium hydrogen carbonate. Sodium hydrogen carbonate is basic in nature, but it is a mild base, so we can easily use this base to neutralize the acid. So the option B is the right option for this question. Now let's see the next question. The next question is assertion. There is a assertion reason type question, and the assertion statement is: cutting of paper into very small pieces is an irreversible change. Yes, it is it is an irreversible change, because we cannot attach or we cannot combine the paper as the initial condition. Now the next is the reason. Physical changes are always reversible. No, physical changes are not always reversible, because so many physical changes are irreversible. So the option first means assertion is correct statement, but the reason is not a correct statement. So let's see the option. Both assertion and reason are the true, and the reason is a correct explanation of assertion. No. Next, both assertion and reason are the true, but reason is not a correct explanation of assertion. It is also wrong. Assertion is true. Yes, assertion is true, and reason is false. Yes, the option C is right option. Now let's see the D. Assertion is false and the reason is true. No, assertion is true and the reason is false. So the option C is the right option for this question. Now let's see the next question. The next question is: match column first with column second and select the correct answer using the codes given below. Now in the column first, P, Q, R and S. P is chemical change, Q is physical change, R is crystallization, and S is alloying. Okay. Now the next in the column second, evolution of a gas, pure solid, change in state and mixing of molten solids. So the first is evolution of gas. Generally in the chemical changes, evolution of gas takes place. So the P option is matched with the first option. Now the next is pure solid. Pure solid basically present in the crystalline form, means in the pure solid there is a different force of attraction, or we can say the particles are connected with a strong force of attraction, that is called the intermolecular forces of attraction, and because of that it is formed in a crystalline form. So the pure solid is present in the crystallization structure or crystalline form. Next, change in state. Basically, in the physical change, or we can say in the physical reaction, there is a change in state. So change in state is a physical change. And last is the mixing of molten solids. Yes, basically alloy, we can form the alloy by the mixing of different metals, or we can say non-metals, and in that condition we mix the different solids in the molten form. So this process is known as the alloying. So let's see the answer. P match with first question, first option, Q match with third, R match with second, and S match with fourth. So 1, 3, 2, 4. 1, 3, 2, 4. So the option A is the right option for this question. Now let's see the next question. The next question is paragraph based question. Now let's see the paragraph. The reaction between an acid and a base is known as neutralization reaction. Yes, we know that the reaction between the acid and base is known as the neutralization reaction, in which when acid react with a base, then it produce salt and water, and it is a neutralization reaction. Salt and water are formed as products, and lots of heat is evolved in these reactions. So it is basically, it is a exothermic reaction. Neutralization reactions are used to treat many daily life problems like acidity, bee and wasp stings, tooth decay, etc. Now, these are also used in treatment of factory waste, sewage waste, and also the quite useful in the agriculture. Okay, now let's see the question. Fill in the blank by choosing an appropriate option. Okay, now let's see the question. When an ant bites, it injects. We know that the red ants basically release an acid which is known as the HCOOH, formic acid. Okay, and this formic acid is released by the ant sting. So it injects formic acid. It injects formic acid into the skin. The effect of this can be neutralized by rubbing moist. We can say that we neutralize the acid by the basic effect. Okay, now let's see the question. Let's see the options. In the option A, base, no, ant sting injects an acid, not a base. So option A and option B are the wrong option. Now let's see the option C, acid. This is right. Then next is the milk of magnesia and vinegar. Milk of magnesia is basic in nature, but vinegar is present in CH3COOH, means acetic acid is present in vinegar. So we can say that vinegar is also a type of acid. So we can't use the vinegar for treatment of the formic acid or for the treatment of ant bite. Okay, so the option C is also a wrong option. Now let's see the option D, acid. Yes, ant bites, injects acids, and next is, and it can be neutralized by rubbing baking soda. Baking soda is basic in nature, and the calamine. Calamine is a common name of zinc carbonate, and zinc carbonate is also a basic substance. So baking soda and calamine solution both are basic in nature, so we can use the baking soda and calamine solution to neutralize this effect of acid. So the option D is the right option for this question. Okay, now let's see the next question. The next question is, which of the following represents to a neutralization reaction? The passage is same. Now let's see the question. Which of the following represent to a neutralization reaction? We know that the neutralization reaction is a combination of acid and base. Basically, when any acid react with any base, then it produces salt like NaCl and water. Okay, this is a neutralization reaction. Now let's see the option. The option is, the last option is NaOH. When react with H2O, it gives Na positive and OH negative. No, it is not a neutralization reaction, because NaOH is base and it dissociate into its ion. So it is not a neutralization reaction. SO2 react with H2O, it gives H2SO3. It is also not a neutralization reaction, because SO2 is acetic oxide which react with water and form an acid. So it is also not a neutralization reaction. Now next is the HCl react with H2O gives H3O positive and Cl negative. It is also not it is also not a neutralization reaction. And now let's see the option A. Option A, HCl. HCl is a strong acid and NaOH is a strong base. When acid combined with the base, it gives NaCl, which is a salt, and we can say it is a neutral salt because when strong acid and strong base combine, then it gives the neutral salt. So the neutral salt is formed and water is released. So the option A is the right option for this question. Okay, this is a neutralization reaction. Thank you. For more information, you can subscribe our YouTube channel and you can join our WhatsApp channel also. And if you have any query, any doubt regarding any question, so you can have a more option, ask a doubt. And all the links are provided in the description box. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Hello student, welcome to Matrix High School. Today we discuss about biology paper solution for class 7th. Now start for first question. What substance do plants use to store energy? First, protein. Second, fat. Third, vitamin. And last one is starch. And according to question, our right answer is starch because starch is a carbohydrate. And carbohydrate store in the form of starch in plants. And if there is animal, so then our right answer is glycogen. Glycogen stored in animal and starch stored in plants. Best example is potato for starch storage. Now, in leaves, glucose formation by photosynthesis. Some glucose stored in leaves and some transported to roots. And in potato, stored as in form of starch. So, our right answer for this question is option D. Next question is, which part of the plant is responsible for anchoring it to the soil and absorbing nutrients? First option is stem, second root, third leaves and flowers. Flowers is the D option. Now right answer for this one is root because root help in anchoring with soil and provide anchoring with soil and help in absorbing nutrition. So our right answer according to question is option B. Option B is the right answer, that is root. Next question is, how many premolar teeth found in mouth? Option first is 2, second is 4, third is 6th and last is 8th. Shown in diagram, this one is premolar and similar to this one is premolar and premolar. So in one jaw 4 premolar teeth present and also in second jaw 4 premolar teeth present. So total number of premolar teeth is 8. So according to question, our right answer is 8, option D. Next question is, assertion A, liver secretes its juice in the large intestine, and reason bile helps to digest fat. Assertion A, liver secrete its juice in the large intestine, but liver release bile juice and that store in gallbladder, and This duct help in release bile juice into the small intestine. So, assertion is wrong. This statement is wrong. Bile help to digest fat. That is right. So, according to options, both assertion A and reason are true. That is wrong. Both assertion and reason are true but are not correct explanation. That is wrong. Assertion A is true, R is false. That is wrong. Assertion A is false and reason R is true. Option D is the right answer for this question. Next question is match the column. Column first to column second. Absorb a lot of water, contain acid, stores feces, and show peristalsis movement. Column second, stomach, rectum, large intestine, and esophagus. Absorb a lot of water, that is related to large intestine, and large intestine help absorption of water. Next one is contain acid, HCl, HCl present in stomach that help in digestion of food and provide acidic media. Next, store feces, that is waste and stored at rectum. This one, rectum. And last, show peristalsis movement in esophagus, that is also called food pipe. This movement shown in food pipe and food enter into the stomach. So according to column, our right answer is P third in option C. P third, Q1 and R second and S 4. So correct answer is option C. Next question is paragraph 4 question 19 and 20. Amoeba, shown in diagram, amoeba. Amoeba is a microscopic single cell organism which is found in pond water. It is a very simple animal, cannot seen by naked eye, that is seen by microscope. Also has a cell membrane, a rounded dense nucleus, and many small bubble-like vacuole in its cytoplasm. That is bubble-like structure present in cytoplasm. The body of amoeba has finger-like projections called pseudopodia. Pseudopodia similar to fit, and pseudo mean false, so called false fit. Option first, how many type of vacuoles does an amoeba have? In diagram, this one is food vacuole and this one is contractile vacuole. Two type of vacuole present in cytoplasm of amoeba. So right answer is 2. Option B. Option B is right answer. Next question is amoeba have pseudopodia of amoeba are used for. Pseudopodia, false fit. Pseudopodia of amoeba are used for. Option 1, movement only. Second, capture of food only. C, capture of food and movement. And last, exchange of gases only. Our right answer for this question is capture of food and movement. Option C is correct answer. In diagram, bacteria is prey of food for amoeba and that engulfed by pseudopodia. and also show movement. Also show movement by pseudopodia. So right answer, capture of food and movement. These are the all question for class 7th. For more update, subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.
Hello friends, welcome back Matrix Olympiad, and we will discuss the solution of mathematics which is conduct on 29th September 2024. So let's start. So question number 21 is, which of the following does not represent an integer? So one by one we have to check. So 20 divided by minus 4, we will get minus 5. It is an integer value. Minus 9 divided by 3, it is minus 3. It is also an integer value. 0 divided by minus 7, so it is 0. So it is also an integer value. Let's check option number D. It is minus 12 divided by 5, which is equals to minus 2.5, which is not an integer value. So right option is option number D. Coming to the next question, question number 22. Simplify 99 plus 235 minus 227 divided by 1 plus 22 into 31. So here we have to use BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule is, first we have to use bracket, then we have to solve off, then divide, then multiply, then addition, and then subtraction. So here you can see 227 divided by 1. So first we have to solve 227 divided by 1. So we will get 99 plus 235 minus 227 plus 22 into 31. Now we have to solve this multiplication. So we will get 99 plus 235 minus 227 plus 22 ones are 22, carry 2, 22 threes are 66, 66 plus 2 is 682. Now we have to add 99 plus 235 plus 682. So we will get 9 plus 5 14, 14 plus 2 16, carry 1, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 3 13, 13 plus 8 21, carry 2, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 6 10. So it is 1016 minus 227. So we will get, here we have to take borrow. So it is 16, 16 minus 7 is 9. So it is 0, and again we have to take borrow. So it is 10, 10 minus 2 is 8. So here is 9, 9 minus 2 is 7. So right answer is 789. So option number C is correct option. Coming to the next question. Find the difference between the product of minus 15 and 23 and the sum of minus 321 and 778. So we have to find out the product of minus 15 into 23. So we will get minus 15 threes are 45, carry is 4, 15 twos are 30, 30 plus 4 is 34. So we will get minus 345. Now the sum of minus 321 plus 778. So 8 plus 8 minus 1 is 7. 7 minus 2 is 5. 7 minus 3 is 4. So it is 457. Now the question is find the difference. So 457 minus 345. So this value is minus. So we have to use here bracket. So it is 457 plus 345, and we will get 7 plus 5 is 12, carry 1, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 4 is 10, carry 1, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 3 is 8. So right answer is 802, and which is option number C. Coming to the next question. Question number 24. Mohit cuts 50-meter long wire into pieces of length 2:4 by 3 meter each. How many pieces of wire did he get? So the total length of wire is 50 meter, and Mohit cut into a 2:4 by 3 meter each. So first of all, we have to convert this mixed fraction into a proper fraction. So we will get 3 to the 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 divided by 3. Now the total length of wire is 50 meter. So we have to divide 50 by 10 by 3. So again, you will get 50 into 3 divided by 10. So here it is 5 into 3, which is equals to 15. So how many pieces of wire did he get? So he will get 15 pieces of wire. So option number A is correct. Now coming to the next question, question number 25. Question number 25 is, which of the following is the equivalent fraction of 5 by 7 with numerator 40? So we have to write fraction is 5 by 7 and the equivalent fraction is numerator 40 and denominator let's assume x. So now you have to use cross multiplication here. So 5 into x equal to 7 into 40. So from here you will get x equal to 7 into 40 upon 5. 5 divided by 40 is 8. 8 7s are 56. So denominator is 56. So equivalent fraction is 40 upon 56, which is option number B. So right option is B option. Coming to the next question. Question number 26. Question number 26 is, what is a pictorial representation of a data using symbols? So it is known as a pictograph. So option number C is correct. Now coming to the question number 27. If a die is thrown once, then what is the probability of getting an even prime number? And we know even prime number is only one, and that is 2. So the favorable outcome is 1, and if a die is thrown once, then the total outcomes is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So the probability for getting an even prime number is 1 by 6. Then the option is C. So correct option is C. Coming to the next question. Question number 28. What is the mean of the observation 10.20, 13.20, 15.25, 16.05 and 20.30? So we know the formula of mean. Mean x bar equal to sum of the observation divided by total observation. So here we have to add all the observation. So let's add. It is 10.20, 13.20, 15.25, 16.05 and 20.30. So let's add. 5 plus 5 is 10, carry 1. 2 plus 1 3, 2 5, 2 7 or 3 10, carry 1. So 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 6 15, carry 1. 1 plus 1 2, 3, 4, 5 and 2 7. So it is 75.0. So it is 75 divided by number of total observations. So here are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 observation are there. So mean is 75 upon 5 and which is equals to 15. So option B is correct option. Coming to the next question. Question number 29. Find the solution for the equation 5 by 2x plus 3 by 2 equal to 6 by 4. So we have to solve this equation. 5 by 2x plus 3 by 2 is equal to 6 by 4. So we have to take here LCM. LCM is 2. So it is 5x plus 3 is equal to 6 by 4. Again, it is cancel out by 3 times. It is cancel out by 2 times. Now 5x plus 3, we have to multiply this 2 from here. So it is 3 multiplied by 2 divided by 2. 2 and 2 is cancel out. Again, it is 5x plus 3 is equal to 3. So it is 5x equal to 3 minus 3, which is equal to 0. So x equal to 0 divided by 5. So it means x equal to 0. So right option is C option, that is x equal to 0. Now coming to the next question. Question number 30. Question number 30 is, Mohit subtract thrice the number of notebook he has from 100. He finds the result to be 7. Find the number of notebooks he has. So in this question given, Mohit subtract thrice the number. So let's assume number is x. So thrice the number is 3x of notebook he has from 7. So he is subtract from 100. So it is 100 minus 3x. And what is he finds the result? Result is 7. So which is equal to 7. So again it is 100 minus 7 is equal to 3x. 100 minus 7 is 93, which is equal to 3x. So x equal to 93 divided by 3. So it is 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So x equal to 31. So it means number of notebook he has is 31. So right option is B option. Now coming to the next question. Question number 31. The equation 3x plus 4y minus 2 equal to 2y plus 3 is equivalent to which of the following equation? So we have to solve this equation first. So it is 3x plus 4y minus 2 equal to 2y plus 3. In all the options, the value of y is given. So let's calculate the value of y. So it is 4y. This 2y is come here. So it is minus 2y. And this minus 2 is here. So it is 3 plus 2 minus 3x. So it is 2y is equal to 5 minus 3x, or y equal to 5 upon 2 minus 3 by 2 into x. So let's check. Y equals to minus 3 by 2x plus 5 by 2. So here option number D is minus 3 by 2x plus 5 by 2. So right option is option number D. Now coming to the next question. If the sum of two angle is 180 degree, then the angles are called. If the sum of two angle is 180 degree, then the angles are known as supplementary angles. So here option number A is supplementary angle. So it is called as supplementary angles. Coming to the next question. So here in the given figure, if lines P is parallel to Q, this line is parallel to Q line, then find the value of x. So we know this angle and this angle makes a linear pair angle, and the sum of linear pair angle is 180 degrees. So let's assume this angle is y. So 120 plus y is equal to 180 degree. So we will get y is equal to 60 degree. So here y equal to 60 degree, and we know the x and y are correspond x, and we know the x and y are corresponding angles, and if the two lines are parallel, then corresponding angles are equal. So x equal to y and this equal to 60 degree. So x equal to 60 degree. Option number B is correct option. Coming to the next question. Question number 34. In the given triangle, if the hypotenuse is 5 centimeter and height is 4 centimeter of a triangle, then find the value of x. So here triangle is given, right triangle. So we have to use Pythagoras theorem, and the Pythagoras theorem is hypotenuse square. So here hypotenuse is this 5. So hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the square of remaining two sides. So one side is 4. So square of 4 plus another side is x. So x is square. So we have to solve this equation. So it is 25 is equal to 16 plus x square, and we will get 9 equal to x square and x equal to 3. So we will get the value of x equal to 3, and the option number C is correct option. Coming to the next question. The angles of a triangle are in the ratio 5:6:7. Find all the three angles of the triangles. If the triangles angles are given, let's assume this angle is A, this angle is B, and this angle is C. The ratio are given. So let's assume angle A is 5x, angle B is 6x, angle C is 7x. The sum of the angles is 180 degree because it is a triangle. So 5x plus 6x plus 7x is equal to 180 degree. Add these three. So 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 plus 7 is 18. So it is 18x equal to 180 degree, or x equal to 10 degree. So angle A is 5 into 10, which is equal to 50 degree. Angle B is 6 into 10, which is equal to 60 degree. Or angle C is 7 into 10, which is equal to 70 degree. So 50, 60, 70, and the option is D. So right option is D option. Coming to the question number 36. Which of the following is not a set of length of a side of a triangle? So we know the theorem of triangle. For triangle, if sum of any two side is always be greater than the third side. So let's check this theorem one by one. So here you can check at 8 plus 4 is 12, and the third side is 20. So sum of two side is less than here third side. So if this is occur, then this means these sides are not make a triangle. So right option is A option. Coming to the next question, here we have to find out the sequence. So first is to add or subtract two decimal, we arrange as follows. So here first is add or subtract them as whole number. So it is not a first step. So first step is write the decimal number as like decimal. So it is the first step. First we have to write the decimal values. Second is write the decimal in column with their decimal part exactly below each other and other place according to their place value, right? So it is the second step. Third is add or subtract them as whole number. If the question is for addition, so we have to add. So the third step is P. And the fourth step is put the decimal in the answer exactly below the other decimal point. So this is the step number 4. So right option is R, S, P, Q. R, S, P and Q. So option number C is correct option. Coming to the next question. Here in the given figure, if LM, this line is parallel to NQ line, angle LMP is 135 degree and angle QNP is 120 degree, then find the value of X. So first of all, we have to extend NQ and mark point O. So first of all, we have to extend this NQ line and we have to mark this point as a O. So first step is this step, extend. Second is angle MON. You have to check here angle MON plus NOP. Angle MON plus angle NOP is equal to 180 degree because it makes a linear pair angle. So step number 2 is this. Next is in triangle PON. You have to check here in triangle PON angle NPO plus angle PON. So it is step number 3. So last step is X plus 45 is equal to 75 degree. So last step is R. So correct option is option number D, SQPR. Coming to the next question. Question number 39, that is 24 into 1 equal to 24. So it is true. Reason is any number when multiplied by 1 result in the number itself. It is also true. And it is, this reason is correct explanation of this A. So option number A is correct. Coming to the next question. Here 3 by 7 is obtained when we divide a whole into 7 equal parts and take 3 parts. So it is a right statement. So it is true statement. A fraction is a number representing part of a whole number. So it is also a true statement. So both assertion and reason are true. And this is the explanation of this assertion. So option number A is correct option. So question number 41, it is a true and false. So bar graph, first is bar graph are visual representation of a ungrouped data. So it is a true statement. Next is an event which never happened is called possible event. No, it is called a impossible event. So it is a false statement. The lower limit of a class 10 to 20 is 20. 20 is a higher limit. Lower limit is 10, but it is given 20. So it is also a false statement. Next is in tossing a coin, getting head or tail are equally likely event. So it is a true. A head or tail, we have to get the equally likely event. So it is a true. So option is TFFT. So here it is option number A. Coming to the next question. Now coming to the question number 42. First is one obtuse angle and one acute angle can make a pair of supplementary angles. Yes, it is a true statement. Next is the point from which the rays are drawn is called the vertex. Yet it is also a true statement. Next is two obtuse angle cannot be a supplementary of each other. Yes, it is true because one obtuse and one acute angle can make a supplementary angle. So it is a true statement, cannot make a supplementary angles. Last is if two lines are intersect, then the vertically opposite angles, so these are the vertically opposite angles, are unequal. It is a false statement. It is always be equal. Vertically opposite angles are always be equal. So it is a false statement. So right option is TTF. So it is option number D. So right option is D. Coming to the next question. Question number 43. Which of the following statement is true or false? So one by one we have to read. In an equilateral triangle, only one angle is acute. No. in an equilateral triangle, all the three angles are acute angles, so it is a false statement. Second is the line segment joining a vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of its opposite side is called an altitude of the triangle. No, it is a false statement. It is not called a altitude of a triangle. Third is, it is possible to have a triangle in which two angles are acute. It is possible to have a triangle in which two angles are acute. Yes, it is true. It is possible to two angles are acute angles. Next is, it is possible to have a triangle in which two of the angles are obtuse. It is a false statement. In any triangle, only one angle is obtuse angle. So option is FFTF. FFTF is option number D. So right option is D option. Coming to the next question. Question number 42, which is match the column 1 and 2. So first is 5x equal to minus 2y plus 7. So one by one we have to put the value of x and y and check whether it is left hand side is equal to right hand side or not. So first is 5x equal to minus 2y plus 7. So here if we put x equal to 0 and y equal to 0, then left hand side is not equal to right hand side. So this is a wrong. Next is x equal to 2. So we will get 10 and y equal to 0. So we will get 7. 10 is equal to 7 is not a possible. Next is x equal to 3. So x equal to 3 is 5 3s are 15 and y equal to minus 4. So it is 15 and y equal to minus 4. So we will get minus 4 into minus 2 is plus 8. 8 plus 7 is 15. So for P, the third is true. Next is 4x minus 6y equal to 0. If we put x equal to 0 and y equal to 0, so we will get 0 equal to 0. So 1 is correct. Next is 3y equal to 5 by 3x plus 7. So we have to put here x equal to 3. So we have to get in right hand side 5 by 3 into 3 plus 7. So it is 3 and 3 are cancelled out. So it is 12. Again y equals to 4. 4 3s are 12. So it is for 4 it is true. Next is 2x minus y equal to 4. So we have to put here 2. 2 2s are 4 and y equal to 0. 4 minus 0 is 4 and it is given 4. So option is true. So it is the correct option is 3 1 4 2. 3 1 4 2. So option number A is correct option. Coming to the next question. So again we have to use here BODMAS rule. First is minus 11 into 9 minus 45 plus minus 72 divide by 8 plus 11. So first of all we have to use here BODMAS rule and solve one by one according to this rule. Here this B is represent bracket, O is represent off, D is represent divide, M is represent multiplication, A is represent addition and S is represent subtraction. So first is minus 11 is in bracket. So we have to write it is minus 11 into 9 minus 45. It is minus 72 bracket and here plus sign. So it is I have to write minus 72 divided by 8 plus 11. Now solve this. So first of all we have to divide this and we will get 9 here. So minus 11 into 9 minus 45 minus 9 plus 11. Here 11 9s are 99. So it is minus 99 minus 45 minus 9 plus 11. Now add these three negative values. So we will get minus 9 plus 5 14. 14 plus 9 is 23 and carries 2. 9 to 11. 11 plus 4 15. So it is minus 153 plus 11 and we will get 3 minus 1 is 2. 5 minus 1 is 4 and it is 1. So we will get minus 142. So third is matching. Next is Q. It is for P. Next is Q. For Q it is 33 divided by 3 into 1 plus 72 divided by 2 into 3 plus 6 into minus 2. So here bracket is given, this minus 2. We have to solve first this part. So we will get 33 divided by 3 into 1 plus 72 divided by 2 into 3 and it is 6 into minus 2 is minus 12. So we have to write here minus 12. Now we have to solve divide. So 3 divided by 33 is 11 and here 2 divided by 72 is 36. So 11 into 1 plus 36 into 3 minus 12. So it is 11 plus 36 3s are 108 minus 12. 108 plus 11 is 119. 119 minus 12 is 107. So we will get 107. So 1 is correct. Now next is R. It is 74 minus minus is plus. So it is plus 40 plus 132 minus 72 plus 84 into 1 divided by 2, right? So again it is 74 plus 14 plus 132 minus 72 plus 84. 1 divided by 2 is 0.5. So I have to write here 0.5. So it is 74 plus 14 plus 132 minus 72 plus 5. 0.5 multiplied by 84 is 5 4s are 20, carry 2, 5 8s are 40, 40 and 2 42. We have to put here point, so it is 42. So now we have to add numbers 4, 74, 14, 132 and 42. So 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12, carry is 1. 7 plus 1 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 plus 3 is 12, 12 plus 4 is 16, carry 1. And 1 plus 1 is 2, 262 minus 72. So we will get 2 minus 2 is 0, 16 minus 7 is 9 and it is 190. So option number 4 is correct option. For S, it is 164 into 64 divided by 2 plus 8 into 3 minus 4 into 7 plus 24. So here no bracket is given. So we have to solve first divide. So it is 164 into 64 divided by 2 is 32 plus 8 into 3 minus 4 into 7 plus 24. So now we have to solve multiplication. So 164 into 32, we have to multiply here. 164 into 32, 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12, carry 1, 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 4s are 12, carry 1, 3 6s are 18, 18 plus 1 is 19, carry 1, 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. So we will get 8, 4, 9 3 12, carry 1, 5 2 4 8. So we will get here 5 2 4 8 plus 8 3s are 24 minus 7 4s are 28 plus 24. Again we have to add 3 numbers, 5 2 4 8 plus 24 plus 24. So we have to get 5 2 4 8 plus 24 plus 24 is 48 minus 28. Now we have to solve this. 5 2 4 8 plus 48 is 5 2 96 minus 28. Subtract from this, so we will get 5268. So second is correct. So option is 3142. 3142. Option number B is correct. Now coming to the next question. Question number 46. Here the column 1 is given the values, and here the data is given. Data is given and the line graph is given. So we have to count the values. So here first number is 19. So let's check. So it is 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15, 15 plus 5 is 20, 20 plus 3 is 23. Next is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 and it is 37. 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 4 is 90. 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 5 20, 20 plus 1 is 21. So let's match 19. Here 19 is third. 21. Here 21 is fourth. 3 4. 37 is 2. 3 4 2 and 23 is 1. So it is 3 4 2 1. 3 4 2 1 is option number D. So right option is D option. Coming to the next question. Question number 47. It is, if AB equal to 6, it is given A, B, C. It is given A, B, C and AB equal to 6, and we know that all the sides are equal, and they asked about the side of BC. So BC is also a 6 centimeter. So option number D is correct. Now coming to the question number 48, angle of this triangle will be, and we know the triangle is equilateral triangle, and the angle of equilateral triangle are all the angles are equal and all the angles are 60 degrees. So right option is option number A. Coming to the next question, question number 49. Summer teacher asked him to frame 5 questions for an article on simple equation for monthly school magazine. Summer was very happy that his question will be tried by many of his friends this month. He framed the following question for monthly magazine. Try to answer Summer question. So first question is, if y plus 6 upon 3 minus 1 is equal to 0, then find the value of y. So we have to solve this equation. So y plus 6 upon 3 is equal to 1. Now we have to use cross multiplication. So y plus 6 is equal to 3 and y equal to 3 minus 6, which is equal to minus 3. So we get the value of y, which is equal to minus 3. Option number A is correct option. Coming to the next question, and it is a last question. So if 3 into 2n plus 5 equal to 2n minus 9, then find the value of n. So again we have to solve this equation. So it is 3 into 2n plus 5 is equal to 2n minus 9. So it is 3 to the 6n plus 15 is equal to 2n minus 9. So here this 2n is come here. So it is 6n minus 2n is equal to minus 9 minus 15. 6n minus 2n is 4n, minus 9 minus 15 is minus 24. So n equal to minus 24 by 4, and we will get n equal to minus 6. So option number B is correct. So this is all the solution of maths. Thank you to all. And if you want to more updates, or if you have any query regarding the Matrix Olympiad or any query, so you can subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you so much.
Hello student, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. We are here to discuss the solution of Matrix Olympiad paper of class 7th reasoning conducted on 29 September 2024. Hope you performed very well. So here we go. Question number 51. Find the missing term of given series. So series is 9, 965, 481, 239, 118. Now next term is missing. After missing term, next term is 27.25. So first find the pattern. So what is the pattern used in this series? So pattern is 965 minus 3 divided by 2. 965 minus 3, it means 962 divided by 2. It means 481. Now similar, 481 minus 3 divided by 2. 478 divided by 2. 478, it means 239. Now 239 minus 3 divided by 2. 239, it means 236 divided by 2. It means 118. Similarly, 118 minus 3 divided by 2. So 118 minus 3, it means 115 divided by 2. 115 divided by 2, it means 57.5. 57.5 is the missing term of given series. So here option C is the correct answer of this question. So let's move on to the next question now. So now question number 52. Find the next term of given series. So series is Z, M, P, W, N, Q, S, O, R, P, P, S, L, Q, T, I, R, U, E, S, V, and next is missing. So taking first alphabet of each term. First alphabet of each term. Now taking first alphabet of each term. So first Z, W, S, P, L, I, E. So and next is missing. So first find the pattern. What is the pattern used in this series? Z, it means place value of Z. It means 26. Place value of W is 23. Place value of S is 19. Place value of P is 16. Place value of L is 12. Place value of I in English alphabet is 9. Place value of E, it means 5. So 23 minus 3, it means 26 minus 3, it means 23. Now 23 minus 4, it means 19. Now 19 minus 3, it means 16. Now 16 minus 4, it means 12. Similarly, 12 minus 3, it means 9. Now 9 minus 4, 9 minus 4, it means E, 5. And now 5 minus 3. Minus 3 minus 4, minus 3 minus 4, minus 3 minus 4, now minus 3. So 5 minus 3, it means 2. So it means B. So place value of B in English alphabet is 2. So first missing alphabet is B. Now second alphabet. So taking second alphabet of each term. So small m, n, o, p, q, r, S, and next is missing M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. Now next is T. T. It means second missing alphabet is small t. Now third alphabet series. Taking third alphabet of each term. So third alphabet is P. Next is Q. After Q, next is R. After R, next is S. Next is T. Again U and V. And find the next. So check the pattern. So P, place value of P is 16. Q, it means 17. R means 18. S means 19. T means 20. U means 21. V means 22. And next is 23. So it means W, because place value of W is 23 in English alphabet. So next term is B, T, W. So here option A is the correct answer of this question. Now next question is question number 53. Which sequence of letters when placed at the blanks one after the other will complete the given letter series? So in these questions, options are taken one by one, and let's check which one will follow correctly. So first taking option A. So according to option A, first C, now next is C, again is C, now B, and then B. So C, 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 B, C, C, B, double B, C, B, double B, C, B, triple B, double B. So not in a defined way. Now checking option B. Now according to option B, pattern is first blank it means C, second blank it means B, third blank it means C, fourth blank it means C, and fifth blank it means again C. So pattern is double C, double B, double C, double B, double C. So pattern is double C, double B, double C, double B, double C, double B. So double C, double B, double C, double B, double C, double B, and again double C, double B. So pattern is a defined way. So it means option B is the correct answer of this question. So now let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 54. Nitin walked 20 meters towards north. Then he turned right and walks 30 meters. Then he turns right and walks 35 meters. Then he turns left and walks 15 meters. Finally, he turns left and walks 15 meters. In which direction and how many meters is he from the starting position? So before starting this question, as we know, there are four types of main direction. One is north, this is east, this is south, and this is west. And there are four types of cardinal direction. This is northeast, this is southeast, this is southwest, and this is northwest. So according to these questions, Nitin, let's suppose A is the starting point of Nitin. Nitin walked 20 meters towards north. Nitin walks 20 meters towards north. 20 meters towards north. Then he turned right. Then he turned right and walked 30 meters and walked 30 meters. Then he turns right. Then he turns right and walks 35 meters and walks 35 meters. Walks 35 meters. Then he turns left and walks 15 meters. Then he turns left. This is the left of Nitin. And walk 15 meters. And walk 15 meters. Finally, he turns left and walks 15 meter. Finally, he turns left and walks 15 meter and walks again 15 meter. So this is the end point of Nitin. So starting point and end point are on same line. So it means this is the east direction of starting point, and this is the north direction of starting point, and this is the west direction of starting point, and this is the south direction of starting point. So in which direction and how many meters is he from the starting position? So Nitin is in east direction from the starting point, and now how many meters? So how many meters of distance is 30 plus 15. It means 45 meter in east direction. So Nitin is in 45 meter in east direction. So here option D is the correct answer of this question. So now let's move on to the next question. Question number 55. In a row where all are facing north, Priya is 15th place from the left end and 19th place from the right end. How many persons were there in the row? So in a row, all are facing towards north. Priya is position of Priya from the left is 15th, and position of Priya from the right end is 19th. And so find the total persons were there in the row. Find the total person. So formula is left position plus right position of the same person minus 1. Left position plus right position of the same person minus 1. Left position of Priya is 15 and right position of Priya is 19 minus 1. 15 plus 19, it means 34, minus 1, it means 33. So there are 33 persons in this row. So it means option C is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 56. Choose the alternative which is closely resemble the mirror image of the given combination. So in the mirror image, the part of an object which is near to the mirror, so it will remains near to the mirror in the mirror image. So first find the mirror image of A. So mirror image of A looks something like this, and then find the mirror image of E. So mirror image of E look like this. Now mirror image of R, this is the mirror image of R. Now mirror image of L, this is the mirror image of A, and this is the mirror image of B, and then find mirror image of R. So this is the mirror image of R. Now again find the mirror image of E. This is the mirror image of E. Similarly find the mirror image of V. So this is the mirror image of V. Again find the mirror image of N. So mirror image of N look like this. Again find the mirror image of O. So this is the mirror image of O. Now again find the mirror image of N. So mirror image of N look like this. So here option A is the correct mirror image of the given alphabets. So option A is the correct answer. So now let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 57. Choose the correct voter image of the given figure X from amongst the four alternatives. So find the voter image of the given figure. So the voter is always at the bottom of the object. So first find the voter image of this figure. So horizontal and vertical lines are same in the voter image. So and now find the voter image of this line. So this line in the voter looks like this, and this line looks like this. Okay, now find the water image of this line. So water image of this line like this. So this is the correct water image of given figure. So here option D is the correct water image of given figure X. So here option D is the correct answer of this figure. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 58. Choose the alternatives which is closely resemble the water image of the given combination. So find the water image of given combination. So the water is always at the bottom of the objects. So first find the water image of G. So water image of G like this. Now water image of R. So this is the water image of R. And now find the water image of 9. So this is the water image of 9. Now water image of 8. So this is the water image of A. Now find the water image of A. This is the water image of A. Now water image of P. This is the water image of P. Now next is find the water image of 7. So this is the water image of 7. Now find the water image of 6. So this is the water image of 6. Similarly, find the water image of E. This is the water image of E. Now find the water image of S. This is the water image of S. So here option C is the correct water image of given combination. So here option C is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 59. It is given the phi denotes divided by. Now at the rate denotes plus, asterisk denotes multiply by, and has denotes minus, Then what is the value of given expression? So find the value of given expression. So expression is 14 has 99 phi 33. After 33 next is at the rate 11 asterisk 5. So first substitute the symbol. So 14 has means minus 99, 5 means divided by 33. Now at the rate means plus 11. Now asterisk means multiply by 5. Now using BODMAS rule in this equation, first divide the numbers. So 14 minus 99 divided by 33. It means 3 plus 11 into 5. Now next multiply the numbers. So 14 minus 3 plus 55. So 14 minus 3 plus. So 14 plus 55. It means 69 minus 3. 69 minus 3 it means 66. So here option C is the correct value of given equation. So let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 60. Find out from among the 4 alternatives as to how the pattern would appear when the transparent sheet is folded at the dotted line. If we fold this sheet along to the dotted line, then this transparent sheet will looks something like this. So this is the folded sheet. And it means option C is the correct answer of this question. So we have finished the solution. I hope you understood it very well. And if you have any query and doubt regarding the solution, please log in the website and click Ask the Doubt option and write your doubt there. And any new information related to Matrix Olympiad will be updated on this YouTube channel. So please subscribe the channel for more updates. You can also have new updates on our WhatsApp channel. To join, click on the links provided in the description box. Thank you so much for being here. Have a good day.